Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to switch networks on Coinbase Wallet. To switch networks on Coinbase Wallet using your mobile device, the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Coinbase Wallet application. Once you open up the wallet, click on the settings button at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap Networks. From the Networks tab, choose your desired network from the Mainnets option. You can choose from options like Arbitrum, BNB Chain, Ethereum, etc. After tapping on one of the networks, confirm your selection and you will be connected to the chosen network. So that is how you will be able to switch networks on Coinbase Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.